Hello good people, hello everybody. So today I'll be taking you through R programming. Firstly, may I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will be so wonderful. So let's start by taking the practice. Let's start by taking the practice assessment. Next, so one name is character vector. What value does the statement below returns to see people? People. Okay. Now let's start by saying any people requires first the inner requires true and false value depending on whether the last one is correct. Check the answer, it's okay. Next, review line 1 below. What does the statement in line 2 returns on my list? What does the in line 2 returns my list? Unlist. So when we unlist, what will become? All the variables will be characters. Will be character variables. So the last option. Check the answer. Okay, it shows the practice are all good. Let's start the quiz now. Okay, the first, what is the value of C sum? A equals is equivalent to B. So number 3 option is the correct one. In the image below, the data frame of line 1 through 4 instance, which statement returns the result shown on the line 6 and 7. Okay, let's see the first option, the second, the last option. Next, review the statement below. What is the effect of covariant vector on the analysis? Effect of covariant vector. Effect of covariant vector. There's some. Oh, it forces the covariant to enter the equation before it costs for the effect of the covariance within each level of the vector. The last option is correct. Next, which choice returns this date? Is it shows which choice returns this date? Wow, this one. Okay, when you look at this date format, this one date format will be as post. Okay, this one I'm not quite sure. I'm not so sure. May will confirm. Not so sure which really is this format. I'm not so sure this one. Okay, for the sake of time, let's just go for the second option. Next, which statement of the two followed by cbind function result in data frame named v bound? That's the one, cbind. The last option. Next, how do you extract the values above the main diagonal from a square matrix named Armat? How do you extract the Armat up? The last option is correct. Next, in the image below, the data frame or line 1 through 4 is named no vector. why does the statement on line 6 return character line while the statement on line 7 returns data frames? Data frame. So why does the line 6 returns and line 7 returns a data frame? Which value in the first row? Line 6 returns character and line 7 returns data frame. Why? Okay, this let's look at the options because each include both character and numeric values. So here we take the first option. Each value in the first row is a character value, but the values in the third column include both characters and numeric values. The first option is correct. Number 8, which function returns true, false, true? Which function returns true, false, true? Okay. True, false, true. When we look at this input, which function returns true, false, true? Here we inspect the options against the statement. Given the statement there, we try to inspect which one will return true, false, true. True, false, true. When we inspect carefully, we have to look for the one that will match that result. Have to inspect very carefully the second option here. Next, question 9. Why does sum return the number of rows with the value non-applicable? Values in the column named weeks. Why? Why does this the sum of why does it return non-applicable? None not applicable. Here the exclamation point, the count, the number of in the column, return the vector of true, false values in which true is treated as 0 and false as 1. First option, count the number of non-missing values in there. Okay, here we'll go for option 2. Next, a list can contain a list as an element. My list has 5 columns and the third column's item is a list of 3 items. How do you put all 7 values in my list into a single vector? You unlist. Next, what does C contains? When we look at this, what does C contains? C, which is when A given B, A such that B, A such that B, we have to inspect A and B. First one's true. Should contain true. C should contain true. Last option. Next, given DF match. Okay, now let's look at DF one. Given DF match, the image below, how many rows are in DF match? When we match, there are 0 column. Next, How do you return October from X in the showing code? Months. Next. A list named A is created using the statement below. Which choice returns true? Which choice returns true? It's a list. The last question, number 15. How does a matrix differ from a data frame? A data frame may contain variables that have different modes. Last one. Let's view the result now. Let's view the result. Oh, wow. Did a great job. I've earned now a badge on R programming. So this shows competency on R programming. I hope now you can go and see posted the result after succeeding. Thank you everybody. That was the how to pass or how to take the R programming LinkedIn assessment. So like my page, subscribe to my page. Thank you.